channel. I'm here to bring with you guys my Walmart beauty box. Now, Walmart beauty, it's a love-hate relationship. I've been getting this subscription probably about maybe 3, even 4 years, I don't know. You know, and I've told you guys this before, it's a hit or miss. Sometimes it's like, there were times where I'm like, I'm ready to cancel, but then I didn't cancel because I'm just like, well, let's just see what might happen the following time, and then like it's totally surprised me. But if you're like, what is a Walmart beauty box? So Walmart beauty box is a subscription. You do it 4 times a year, so it comes out like every season. So basically they kind of send you stuff that you're gonna use that following season. So my phone, but it's a hit or miss. Like sometimes you get some really good stuff and sometimes you don't. One thing I do like about this stuff is you get travel items, which is perfect because it is coming up to that season where we'll be traveling. But I'm excited. I think this might be the spring. I don't even know if this is the winter or spring box, to tell you guys the truth. They send them at all odds, all different times. Now, if you guys want to sign up, you just go to Walmart Beauty Box. These are now $7. They used to say that they're free, you just pay for shipping. I don't know if it's that way. I think you just pay, I think it's $7 is what these boxes are now. They do offer different types of boxes. If you, like, I get emails saying, hey, if I want to get this for like 20 bucks, and I'm just like, no. But you know, it's a hit or miss, and I know some of you guys really like it. I just love getting mail, so that's the reason why I continue getting this. Sometimes it's not worth $7, sometimes it is, but here it is. We're gonna see what is in the box. So this is the winter box. It does say Winter Wonders, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And I'm gonna tell you guys, this is probably not a good box because they have very little items in here. So here they always tell you like what the full-size items are, and then you can like scan it. So here we go. We got the blue tissue, and yes. So it looks like I got the liquid IV. I got 2 of them. I get these sent to me, like they do these in every single box. My husband has tried them. I know some of you guys say you tried them, but they're just like, they're just basically like Gatorade that you put in your water bottle. So I got tangerine and watermelon. The full size of these are, it says like you get a 6, full size is 6 of them for $9.98. They sent me 2 of them. I don't know if that was a mistake or not, but here we go. Here we go. We got 2 of those. Like I said, I get those every single box and stuff. I don't know if I got one last month. This is a repeat. We got this Monday shampoo and conditioner, and I actually use these, and I don't think I had a problem with this. I brought this when I was on vacation. I think it was, I don't know if it was in August or June, but this is, I'm for frizzy and dull hair. I have frizzy hair. My hair is kind of boring. I need a haircut. I haven't had a haircut since May. But you got a little sample size of these. These are not, okay. It says, don't see a product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. Okay, so I don't know how this is an extra surprise because it's 2 of them, but I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed in this, but these are super cute. Definitely using it for when we go travel. I have a little bottle of the Cetaphil. Charlotte, I have a small bottle of the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. So this is just a lotion. This is perfect for my purse. I'm always looking around for lotion in my purse. Otherwise, I always keep some in my car. But it is cold outside, so sometimes this stuff does freeze. But it's a cute little sample. They're saying the full size of this is a 16 fluid ounce. This is a half an ounce. But it's 14.12. So a cute little thing to put in your purse if you guys need that. And then I also got the I got a face mask. Oh, it's a miracle patch, invisible spot cover. What? Like there's 24 patches in here, so it clears dots that hit the spot. These translucent hydrocolloid stickers keep spots covered and absorb unwanted. Is this like a zit cover? Like very rare I ever break out. I don't wash my face, sorry. But it looks like it's like a zit cover. And this looks like this is a full size for $5.98. So this is something you can get just like this at Walmart for $5.98. So we do got 1 full size item. And then we actually have some mascara, which I'm actually excited to try because I've been using Revlon lately and I'm not a big fan of that. But I will try this. This is Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. It is primer, serum, and mascara all-in-one. The color is black. It is a full-size CoverGirl product, which they say this is $9.97. So I'm actually excited for this because I actually wanted to get new mascara because I don't buy as much makeup as I used to. So that was everything in my box. So I ended up getting a $10 item, a $6 item. So this is like $16 right here. I'm assuming these are like $3 or $4 each. So I mean, I can't remember how much this stuff costs. But, yeah, it was made a year or so ago, so these might be what I got last time, but these, I want to say this is probably like $5 right here, so I'm kind of disappointed in the box, but it's actually stuff that I will use, except that spot stuff. The husband might drink with these. So that was everything that I got. So I'm going to say this is probably not a fail. I really enjoyed the full-size mascara of the CoverGirl. Other items in it are Alfia Authentic African Black Soap, all-in-one eucalyptus tree soap, so it's like a liquid soap. We also have Spatty Money Saving Spatula, pink and white. I have no idea what the heck that is. Spatty Money Saving Spatula. What the heck is that? Like, what is that? What is that? And then there's Physicians Formula Butter Blowout Mascara. So there is another mascara that you would get if, in case you didn't get that one. Marc Anthony Assorted Hair Products, which I would absolutely love. I always love hair products. We also have Luminix Whitening Strips. We have Bliss Assorted Face Products. So it looks like they're just throwing whatever in the bin. We have a Hask Argan Oil Repairing Deep Conditioner. It's probably a sample size, but it is a full size of what they sell that size. And then Bricado Maximum Hold Finishing Hairspray. So those are the items that you get. So this is stuff that you get for the winter box. If you guys join now, I don't know if you will get the winter box or the spring. I do pay for this out of my own money just because that's how I kind of started my YouTube channel, was beauty boxes. And this is the only one that I've kept. Everything else has either gotten discontinued or I stopped it. But if you guys are interested in getting your own Walmart beauty box, just Google Walmart Beauty and you guys will be able to check it out. Give it a month or two, give it, like, you get it 4 times a year, but just give it yourself like once or twice and see. You can always cancel. You don't actually sign up for a 4-month thing. They always remind you if you do want to continue or cancel in it, so that's another good thing. But I don't know, I like the box. I'm going to continue getting it because you get surprised every single time. I know I got a headband last time and I use that, I wear that actually pretty much a lot. But again, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time for another Walmart Beauty unboxing. See you guys later, and bye-bye.